Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of this Spider-Man crochet tutorial. In the previous video, we finished crocheting the head and body. Today, we'll continue by making Spider-Man's arms and legs. To crochet Spider-Man's arms and legs, we'll be using both red and blue yarn. Let's get started. First, using the red yarn, make a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into the ring. Don't forget to place a stitch marker in the first stitch, so you can easily keep track of your rounds. I've now finished the 6th single crochet. Don't forget to place a stitch marker in the last stitch. I find this really helpful for keeping track of the pattern and avoiding mistakes. Now pull the yarn tail firmly to close the magic ring completely. Once you've closed the ring, join it with a slip stitch, then make 1 chain. 4 rounds 1 to 4. Crochet 6 single crochets in each round. Remember to finish each round with a slip stitch and 1 chain, which will serve as the starting chain for the next round. We've now finished round 4, and it's time to switch to the blue yarn. From round 5 to round 8, work 6 single crochets in each round. We've now completed both of Spider-Man's arms. Leave a yarn tail of around 15 centimeters before cutting the yarn, as we'll use it later for sewing. Next, we'll crochet Spider-Man's 2 legs. Please follow the pattern shown on the screen and crochet both legs. We've now finished crocheting both legs. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail of about 15 centimeters for sewing later. Now I'll show you how to embroider the black web pattern on Spider-Man's head. The web pattern on Spider-Man's head is now complete. Trim the yarn. Then weave in and hide the yarn ends inside the crochet piece. Now let's crochet Spider-Man's web. Before you begin, leave a long yarn tail of about 1 meter. Make a magic ring and work 14 double crochets into the ring. After crocheting all 14 double crochets, pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring tightly. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Make 3 chains to count as your first double crochet. Then crochet 3 more chains. Skip the next stitch, then work 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Next, make 3 chains. Then skip 1 stitch and crochet 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Continue repeating this pattern all the way around until you complete the round. Once you've completed the last stitch of the round, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to join. We're now ready to start round 2. Make 3 chains to count as your first double crochet, and then work 5 chains. Work 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Work 5 chains. Work 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Keep repeating the same pattern to continue building the web. When you reach the final stitch of the round, join it to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Please follow the patterns shown on the screen and crochet the web pattern. We've now finished the first part of the spider web. You can fasten off and cut the yarn. Next, make about 60 to 80 chains, depending on your preferred length for the web strand. We've now finished the spider web. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail of about 15 centimeters for sewing later. Next, we'll crochet Spider-Man's eyes using white yarn. Make a magic ring and crochet 5 single crochets into the ring. Turn your work, then make 1 chain. Crochet 2 half double crochets into each stitch. Now that we've finished this round, you can cut the white yarn and fasten off. Next, use the black yarn to crochet a round of single crochets around the edge of the eye. After completing the round of single crochet, make a slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off. Your Spider-Man eye is now finished. Next, we'll attach the arms and legs by sewing them onto the body. Now sew the spider web onto Spider-Man's hand. We've now finished attaching the spider web to Spider-Man's body. Now use the red yarn to shape and define the arms and legs by sewing along the sections shown. Finally, you can either sew the eyes onto Spider-Man's head or attach them using fabric glue, suitable for crochet projects. Our cute little Spider-Man is finally complete. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to this new little channel of mine. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.